Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by April and Khaleesi in Taipei, Taiwan. April and Khaleesi suggested that I draw an adorable, cute puppy! Also, remember, if you want me to draw something, just send me a message on Instagram. Here we go. First, we're gonna draw those big puppy eyes, just like this. Beep. Beep. Next, we're gonna draw the insides of the eyes, and we're gonna make them extra big to be extra cute. Here we go. Beep. And just draw like that. So cute. Beep. And draw like that. Oh, they're so cute. Now we're gonna draw the puppy nose. It's kind of like a triangle with curvy edges. And I draw on top of the eyes because I'm just gonna shade it in anyway. Here we go. Good job. Next, let's draw some puppy hair. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So cute. Puppies are so cute. I love them. Let's draw a cute little puppy ear. We're just gonna bring it around like this. Curve it on over. Stop right there. Curve it on over. Stop right there. Looking good. We're gonna come out, whoop, and in. Out and in. Ooh, I like it. Next, just draw the bottom of your puppy's face. It's so cute. And then your puppy mouth. 1, 2, ta-da! Looking good. Next, we're gonna draw the cute little puppy arms. So start here, we're just gonna draw a curved line like this. And same thing over here. Ta-da! Now down here, just go up. And here. Ta-da! Let's draw some puppy feet. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Puppy belly. Boop. And look how good we're doing. Keep it on. Let's draw the top of the puppy hair. Boop, boop. Almost done. We're just gonna draw a bump for the back leg. Bump. And a puppy foot. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! And a bump. And a puppy foot. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Last, we'll draw the puppy tail. Come up, boop, boop, and we can draw some lines, boop, 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 to show that puppy tail wagging. Now, just draw the ground. Boop, boop, and we did it! We drew an adorable puppy! Thank you so much, April and Khaleesi, for the suggestion. Remember, if you like what you saw, tell all your friends and please subscribe below. Now,